G'day YouTube, JB from Oz. 80 series Toyota Landcruiser instrument cluster. Problem with this one is the Speedo.
So is that actually out of the car?
Yeah. So we've got the Speedo.
I'm not sure what's wrong with it.
Well, I'm looking at it here and I'm seeing some decidedly dirty traces there. They look very corroded, smoky, something up the top edge.
Is that a tracer?
Yeah.
It looks like it's just come off.
Yeah. So I'm just going to do a jury rig jump across and replace those traces with some copper. See what happens. So as a bit of a backstory on this, you would have seen in my previous videos where my brother has replaced the head on an 80 series Landcruiser. Also did big ends, mains, rings, the whole shebang on the car. Went to take it over the pits and the last thing that wasn't working was the Speedo. So rather than just take it over the pits and see if they noticed, he decided to point out to the inspector that it wasn't working and didn't even bother getting it inspected. The guy just said, yeah, don't borrow, bring it back later once you got it fixed. So he pulled the Speedo cluster out and he saw something on here, asked me to have a look, and I said, yeah, that looks like we can possibly do something with it. Give it to me and I'll have a bit of a play. And this video is me essentially throwing that jury rig repair onto the Speedo and trying it out, seeing if we get a result. So I just started off by re-tinning all the connections. So there we go. We have focus UFAC. There's definitely a short underneath the white with green, and just jury rigged the other one through. So I reckon it's ready for Ben to have a shot, see if it works. Thank you for watching. And here we have it, successful road test. The fix is in and it works. Here you can see a first quick run around 5 kilometers an hour, and then a second acceleration up to around 20. So this is how you fix the Speedo cluster of an 80 series Landcruiser. I'm expecting what's probably happened is that a short has occurred on the sensor or something, but we'll never really know. But hopefully this will get him over the pits and happy again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time. Thanks guys, bye.